I'm gonna be working on opening this headlight. It's very easy. Just make sure it doesn't go out flying. I don't think it will. Just press up. Oh, that was very simple. Now to take this one from the bottom is really easy. It's right here. Take it from here. Do not try and take it from here because you will crack this. Just push up and it comes off. There it is. Alright, so I decided to use a heat gun, which is this one right here. This is what I used. What I would do is I would turn on the heat gun and just go on top, all around, really. With this, I would put it in between and then just twist. Not like this, but like, I don't know how to describe it, like this, right? And little by little started coming off, I mean, pretty much open. I just have to take this off. I'm gonna take this off, and it has two screws right here. One right here and another one over here. You're not gonna need these things, or this thing, this and this right here. So just take them off. Well, the moment of truth is here. Remember, this thing has to go in there, and this goes facing up. And this wire, I'm not gonna run it through there yet, but pretty much it goes like this. And what do you know? It fits. The things in the back, it's not hitting at all. Those things, it's all the way in. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do this. It has this little tap right here, and it goes in that line right there. So it's only one way that it goes in. It aligns perfectly. I'll take it off and show you. See this thing right here? It aligns perfectly in here. When you put the projector, you know, it has a cutoff line. It's not gonna be crooked, you know, because it's gonna go straight in. It's only one way that goes in. And like I said, the D2S are specifically to be used in a headlight that uses H4, which is this one. Once you put that washer inside, make sure it's all the way inside. And then you're gonna take this and put it on. It should go in like butter, and as you can see, I can do it with one finger. If you can't, then more than likely it's not on right, and you might strip it if you force it. You gotta use the tool, this one right here. Take your tool that you got for $11. I think this is what I paid for. And this goes right here like this. Then you're gonna use a socket and a wrench to make it tight. Now do not make it super tight, because then you risk on stripping the threads. So just enough that you're like, yeah, this is it. Maybe use some Loctite blue type. Do not use red. This is what it's for. It's for that. And then this is so it holds the bulb, the HID bulb. You put it in there, and then you just put it in there, and it's gonna tie the bulb in there. It doesn't have a little bracket. It has this. Looks like I might be able to still use this. We'll see. Might have to cut this, but this is how it looks in the front. Might have to drill a little hole to run this cable. This is for your high beams, because it's a bi-xenon projector. I'm sorry, I had to think about it. But anyways, you might have to drill a little hole somewhere in there. Not sure if you can see. It's gonna fit with the headlight. I know it looks here that's sticking out a lot, but here there's still space. Not sure how to even show you that. I guess you can see it like that. You can see there's still space. So the headlight cover is not gonna hit this. So far so good. You gotta put the shroud first, because you have to put screws behind this right here. It has 4. So you have to do this first, right? But I'm just showing you. This is not the finished product. I have to take it off and clean it because some dirt got inside. So I have to clean the projector and the inside really good. If I squish it, because you can, it's not super hard. It'll fit in there. See? It fits. It's inside. Just gonna drill a hole behind it and run the cable and then use some RTV to cover that hole.